let us draw the box plot or box and whisker plot. Sometimes the name is just the box plot. So let's draw the box and whisker plot for these data. In order to draw the box plot, we need to find the minimum and the maximum. The minimum and the maximum. You also need to find the quartiles. Okay, so the minimum here is obviously 1 and the maximum is 21. And the quartiles, you know how to define them. You need to follow the steps. Follow steps as before. Okay, so I give you this as an exercise to do. And in this case, the quartiles will be Q1 equal to 2, Q2 equal to 6, and Q3 equal 15. So that's what you have to do. You need to find the minimum and the maximum. Okay, that's the steps now of the solution. Step 1 is to find the minimum and maximum. Step 2 is to find the quartiles. Okay, step 3 is to find outliers. Okay, and here I'll leave this also to you to follow the steps. Okay, and if you follow the steps, we find out that there is no, in this example, there is no outliers in this example. Okay, so that's what you need to find. You need to find the minimum, maximum. You need to find quartiles. And you need to find the outliers. Once you do that, then you start preparing the scale for your graph. The scale will start from the minimum and ending at the maximum, or it should cover the minimum and the maximum. So approximately, if this is my real line, then I want from 1 to 20 almost. So I can have like maybe every 2, maybe. If this is a 0, maybe. Then this will be, I keep adding what, 2 maybe. So this will be 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. This will be 14, 16, 18, and 20. So this is 20, this will be 16 here, and so on. This will be 22. Okay, so the minimum value is 1. So we have a point here for the minimum value, and the same height, another point for the maximum, which is 21. So that will be the minimum here, that will be the maximum. And the quartiles will be a line each, short line. So Q1 here approximately will be Q1. So that's the minimum here. Here's Q1. Q2 will be 6. So that's approximately here. And then Q3 is 15. So 15, see that's 14. 15 is almost here. So we can say that approximately. Okay, so I have these, from these quartiles here, I have Q1 here, Q2, and Q3. So in this case, we connect them all together with a box. Okay, so now I have a box for these quartiles. And now I'm going to draw the whiskers to the minimum and another whisker to the maximum. So these are my whiskers, these small thin lines here, horizontal lines, from the minimum to Q1, in the middle of this line representing the start of Q1, and also from the middle of this line representing Q3 to the maximum. So here I have the minimum, okay, and here I have, this is the minimum, okay, and here I have the maximum. So in this case, that's my box plot.